Case study: streamlining the design process for a mobile banking app. A financial institution planned to develop a mobile banking app to offer its customers a seamless and user-friendly banking experience. To achieve this goal, they hired a UI/UX design agency that decided to utilize Axure and AxureBoutique.com to streamline the design process and create interactive prototypes. The design agency started with extensive user research, including interviews, surveys, and usability testing, to understand the needs and pain points of the target users. They analyzed the competitive landscape and studied existing mobile banking apps to identify best practices and areas for improvement. This research phase provided valuable insights into user expectations and guided their design decisions. Using Axure, the UI/UX designers created wireframes and low-fidelity prototypes to explore various design concepts. Axure's intuitive drag-and-drop interface and extensive widget library allowed the designers to quickly iterate and optimize their designs. They also leveraged AxureBoutique.com to access additional UI components, such as login screens, transaction history modules, and account management features, which accelerated the design process. The design agency collaborated closely with the financial institution's stakeholders, including product managers, developers, and marketing teams. They utilized Axure's collaboration features to share prototypes with stakeholders and gather feedback. Axure's annotation and commenting tools facilitated effective communication, ensuring consistency throughout the design process. To validate their design decisions, the design agency conducted user testing using Axure's built-in features. They created interactive prototypes with realistic interactions, allowing users to navigate through the app and perform tasks. Axure's ability to simulate user flows and collect user feedback helped the designers identify usability issues and make data-driven design decisions. Based on insights gathered from user testing, the design agency gradually refined their designs. They used Axure's advanced interactions and animations to create high-fidelity prototypes that closely resembled the final product. AxureBoutique.com's extensive library of UI components enabled them to add visual polish and maintain a consistent user interface. By utilizing Axure and AxureBoutique.com, the UI/UX design agency successfully streamlined the design process for the mobile banking app. The interactive prototypes created with Axure helped stakeholders visualize the proposed design changes and provided a solid foundation for development. The refined designs resulted in a mobile banking app that offered a seamless and user-friendly experience, leading to increased customer satisfaction and engagement. Key takeaways: Axure and AxureBoutique.com provide UI/UX designers with powerful tools to streamline the design process and create interactive prototypes. User research, collaboration, and user testing are crucial steps in the UX design process, and Axure facilitates these activities effectively. Axure's drag-and-drop interface and extensive widget library enable designers to iterate and optimize their designs efficiently. AxureBoutique.com's additional UI components save time and effort during the design phase, ensuring a consistent and visually appealing user interface. Iterating and refining designs based on user feedback lead to improved user experiences and customer satisfaction.